So the Call of Duty is not working today. Call of Duty down. Hands down. Worst development team in game. How do you constantly put out updates that legit break the entire game? The rank play team will be performing checks before enabling the mode for all the players. Then multiple issues guide. They have acknowledged tons and tons of issues. They have got all the trailer pages, all the updates to enter bug state when attempting to open a loadout, fetching data, causing players to get stuck in fetching data loop. So they are implementing a new update. Repeated use of these tools may lead to further account action as well. Strict update. What's really going on? We have got some latest updates right from the game developers. We have got all the latest details. Make sure to hit that like, share this video, subscribe, and let's jump right into it. Alright guys, so first of all, let me show you onto the down detector, and here you can see 468 outage reports as of right now I'm doing this video. And recently there was a outage peaked at 1359. So you see the point, there are some updates going on into the game. Now let me show you the exact details. Alright guys, so right over here onto the Twitter, we have got bunch of people are talking about the Call of Duty, what's really going on. So here you can see another Call of Duty update, day with zero quality testing, bad game, Call of Duty down, hands down, worst development team in game. How do you constantly put out updates that legit break the entire game? So you see the point guys, once again this is happening and we have to face it somehow. The game is down due to the updates. Now let me show you when the game will be up and running guys. But you see the point guys, tons and tons of people are reporting that Call of Duty is down, and it's not just you facing the game outage scenario, it's tons and tons of people. Alright, so what's the issue? Well, there are some people who are facing from earning the HRM9 submarine gun via the battle pass. This is one of the issue. In fact, we have got some latest update right from the Call of Duty updates. So let me show you what they have had to say. Well, alright guys, so first let me show you, this is the latest update 22 hours ago. So first, their security detection system now target players that using the tools to aim assist while using the mouse on keyboard, and your game will be automatically closed if detected. So they are implementing a new update. Repeated use of these tools may lead to further account action as well. Strict update. Then right after that, launch preparation, heads up competitions, MW2 rank play will not be available immediately after the players will receive S1 reloaded update. The rank play team will be performing checks before enabling the mode for all the players. Stay tuned for more updates 19 hours ago. Then guys, right after that, 2 hours ago, we have got the patch notes for the season 1 reloaded update, which are now available for the Call of Duty. More than 1 hours ago, fetching data, we are investigating an issue causing players to get stuck in fetching data loop. They have got the Trello page. I'll be showing you in a short moment. Then right after that, 1 hours ago, they are investigating issue causing player to enter bug state when attempting to open a loadout. Then multiple issues guys, just check this out. We are investigating causing some kill streak notification banners to not appear in correctly manner. Then right after that, 24 minutes ago, we are investigating issue causing distorted geography in Uzbekistan. Then recent update, we are investigating an issue preventing some players from earning HRM9 submarine gun via battle pass. So you see the point guys, they have acknowledged tons and tons of issues. They have got all the trailer pages, all the updates regarding this one. But as of right now, they are trying to actually fix the issue into the game. Once I get any latest details, I'll keep you posted. But there is no server timing as of right now. Make sure to hit that like, share this video, subscribe, and this is Kedar from How to Guys. See you in the next video.